Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by placing the dock on a stable surface and powering off the console to avoid handshake errors. Plug the official USB-C supply into the dock, then run an HDMI 2.0 cable from the dock to the TV. Once done, insert the console gently into the dock until it seats. You should feel a soft click. This immediate sequence forces proper power and video negotiation, which prevents the common black screen or charging-only failure modes. With the console docked, switch the TV to the correct HDMI input and wait for the signal to appear. You then go to System Settings, choose TV Output, and select the resolution and refresh rate that match your display. This ensures stable HDMI handshake. Make sure to attach USB peripherals only after the video is stable so drivers initialize correctly. Once video and audio are confirmed, let the console sit for a minute to complete any background display negotiation. Finalize by confirming the console charges while outputting audio and the chosen resolution. Tighten connections and avoid third-party adapters that alter voltage or HDMI lanes. If everything looks correct but you see no picture, remove the console from the dock, unplug the dock's power for 10 seconds, reconnect power, then reinsert the console. This power cycle resets the dock negotiation. If problems persist, test with a different official power supply and HDMI cable to isolate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.